Molex PowerPlane Busbar power connectors deliver high current performance in multiple configurations to address a wide range of power distribution requirements using the same separable interface. PowerPlane Busbar connectors feature multiple independent points of contact, providing up to 40% more contact points than competitor products for improved reliability and performance. Yet they are dimensionally compatible with competitors' connectors to allow for drop-in replacement. The connectors allow up to 1.00 mm of misalignment for blind mating in deep racks, and a single part number is compatible with 3.00 and 3.18 mm thick busbar tabs. Contacts are made from a high conductivity copper alloy with silver plating for lower resistance and lower voltage drop for minimal heat generation. Molex PowerPlane Busbar power connectors are available with current ratings up to 320 amps and are offered in vertical or right angle configurations with screw or solder tab terminations.